All right, we're coming down from the top of the Cathedral bell tower, the Church of St. Nicholas.
You can see how windy the staircase is.
Yeah, very, very steep. Alright. Alright, we've got a little doorway here. There's Andrew again. Alright. Alright, here is one of the bells, if you can see it here. Right there. Let's see if we can't go down a little bit further here. Alright, yeah, I think you can see that a little better there. Now you can see the bell. Of course, you see the screen there behind you. It's open to the noise from the bell can be heard outside the tower. Alrighty, well, y'all have all got to see the inside of the bell tower now. Yeah, like Andrew said, let me turn this off. I don't want to fall down these really, really steep stairs. Bye.